Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make this variation of the design. The design is from my original video. I'll link it down below. That video shows you how to make this frame as well as the bail and this little side swept loop. And in this video I'm going to show you the variation where these two wires come down and they make this sort of bigger loop with a smaller loop inside of it. So if you'd like to make this variation of the design, just keep watching.
The next stone I have is this is actually a tourmaline. Probably can't see very well, but it's like, there we go. It's got some green to it. So this time around, I'm taking both wires at the same exact time, and I'm bringing them down together. Bending them down, bringing them down, just like this. And now I am using my finger and I'm making a loop and I'm forming that bend in both wires together at the same time. Don't make it too small. I'll show you in 1 second. Like this size. Now, if you like the look of this, you're welcome to leave it at that. But what I'm gonna do, and this can get a little tricky, I'm gonna see the innermost loop. I'm gonna kind of lift that up a little bit. See how that's lifted? So now I can get to it with my pliers without touching the other loop. And I'm just gonna use my pliers to try and make it smaller. So I'm basically taking it, grabbing it, turning it, which is making it smaller. Now this wire is pointing down instead of up, so I have to like pick that wire back up so it's lined up with the other wire. And that's the look here, is a double loop where one inside, the little loop inside is smaller and the loop on the outside is bigger. So just another little look that I like. So now same thing, bringing it to the back. Let me grab my pliers here. Let me trim off those little wire ends and push those little wire ends in there. Squish, squish, squish. All right, version 2 is complete. Not 2, oh my gosh, why did I say 2? 4. Version 4 is complete.
So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.